Stop at the next junction.
Good girl, I'm so happy. This is so beautiful.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Girls and diamonds.
Oh, we love diamonds a lot.
So happy for you.
Thank you.
Okay, here.
What are you trying to do?
Chile, I'm not even happy with you.
Why?
Like, you got a diamond ring and you took off your necklace.
Well,
Who does that?
you can compare that chain I was wearing with this. Girl, this is diamond.
Driver, please take.
Driver,
For
give her back her money. I'm going to pay.
for both of us, eh? Okay. Yeah. Don't worry. I got you, girl.
See you back home.
Alright.
Be nice to Desmond.
Of course I will, girl.
Be nice to
I will.
Desmond.
I really want this right now.
Okay.
Driver safely.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace. For you it's just a race.
What are you doing here?
Hey, you want to win this race.
I should be asking you that. So you dropped from Keke just to come and be with Murphy? Is that what you did?
Because the truth has a way of coming out at last. Hey, what did she do to you? Obogini komereki.
Oh, baby. This thing here, I never knew she's actually more shameless than I thought. She has no shame, no single shame at all.
How could you? You left the guy who took care of you. You literally bit the fingers that fed you. And you tried to cajole me into getting married to you. What were you thinking? What were you thinking?
Hey, you pig. Is this a cheap lie you told just to be with him?
Juliet, are you not 1 month pregnant for your fiancé? Are you not?
What is going on here?
How do you expect me to just sit by, fold my arms and watch you deceive an innocent man into marrying a girl like you?
Brenda, me, Juliet, pregnant. For who, if I may ask? Brenda, is this how cheap and useless you are? Oh my goodness.
Baby, I'm sure you don't expect this low life to own up after being exposed.
So, Brenda, you carried your stupid body back to this place to lie against me so you can lay with him. I am ashamed of you.
Hey!
So this is it. This is the reason why you came back, so you can have him. Have you gotten enough of him already? You should be ashamed of yourself. You have no heart.
Oh my goodness. Now what? Now wow for some girls, so they really are shameless.
What is she talking about?
Shift! I'm pretty sure you do not believe a thing this fool here said. Come on. You know, we have an unfinished business in the bedroom, right?
I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed to call you my friend. You've always wanted a Yankee man, right? You have him. I hope you're happy. And as for you, I thought you were classy. I thought you're different, but obviously all men are the same. I regret everything. Everything that I gave to you. My time, my love, my trust. Everything.
Why are you spitting on us?
You know what? You two were good for each other. You know what? You can as well keep your ring. Use it for... I'm out of here.
Smell out. Just carry your smelly body out.
What did she do to you? Abogini komereki. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day.
Juliet, I blame you for all this. So all this were happening and you couldn't tell me?
You know, I blame myself. I blame myself for all of this. I saw it so clearly, but I should have known that she has an ulterior motive. I just blame myself, and all I want right now is my Murphy back.
I've lost my Brenda, a woman I invested so much in.
I'm so sorry for both of your losses. Well, this should have been averted. Juliet, I think you didn't do enough.
I didn't do enough, but I want Murphy back. I want my man back. She can't just have Murphy.
I want my woman back. So how are we going to go about this to bring them back?
I'm sorry you lost them both.
Could it be that she used charms on him?
She used no charm. It was all lies upon lies. She kept telling the lies until Murphy starts seeing me as a piece of trash. That's what she did. She's so good at telling lies, and it worked for her this period.
So sad. So sad.
I just want my Murphy back. I want Murphy back. That's all I want. That's all I want. That's just all I want.
What? My love?
I'm so happy our wedding is done and dusted.
I'm the happiest man in the world right now.
I was so surprised seeing your people in attendance. After threatening they were not going to come for our wedding.
I was very surprised too, honestly.
The most important thing is our marriage is official.
And I won, finally. I won.
This world now, wow, you don't really know who is who. You don't know who is for you or against you. Amanda Neze, the one you trust so much may be the one to hurt you, child. The one who's close to you may be the one to betray you.
Agatha. Madam. After dine is set. Push this out. Fetch my husband. Fetch my husband.
Okay, madam.
Come in.
Okay.
Yes. Morning.
Madam say make I come call you.
Okay.
What's I will come tell you that?
I heard you. You can leave.
Madam, I don't come. I'm saying they come in the wear clothes.
What? You saw him naked?
No. Madam, as I reach room, I knock. He didn't say make I come in.
Wait. Which part of his body did you see?
Madam, I don't understand though.
You entered my room without knocking.
Mao, I knock. He say come in. I come in not to know. I swear. I'm not saying anything, not to know.
Get out.
Madam, I don't see anything, no. I just enter your room here. I know.
Get out of my sight!
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace. For you it's just a race. Hey, you want to win this race. Now that you have won the race, how long do you think it will last? Because the truth has a way of coming out last. Hey, what did she do to you?
Jonathan.
Good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing?
Okay, I've been the iron clothes. I go use go church on Sunday.
Do you go to church?
Yes, sir.
I thought you were a Muslim.
No, I be Jonathan, Christian.
Oh, okay. Open the gate.
Oh.
Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived.
I can't believe this. What is going on? My husband did not take his breakfast before going to work. And I noticed he did not respond to my greeting this morning. Is there something going on in this house that I don't know? Agatha! Agatha!
Yes, ma.
Come back here.
Ma.
My husband did not take his breakfast before going to the office. Do you have any explanation to that?
Ma, I don't understand me.
You don't understand? Eh? What don't you understand? I'm asking you.
Ma, if Oga no eating breakfast before going for work, maybe in late for work. No be bad thing now. Not be today in go work without eating.
My husband took 1 hour to get dressed for work, but could not spare 10 minutes to take his breakfast. Agatha, I know why I'm asking you this. Do you have anything with my husband?
Ha! On Mokolo.
Shut up, answer me!
Madam, me, I no understand this kind of question, no. Eh? If you and Oga get small kwanta for house, we just carry everything like this. Come put on top of this my small head now. I no good. You say make I go call Oga for him room. I go there, I knock. And you open, I enter, I call him.
Agatha.
Ma.
What are you wearing in my house?
Okay, the clothes why I buy from market.
Agatha.
Ma.
What are you wearing in my house?
Clothes.
Agatha.
Ma.
Agatha, are you having something with my husband?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't have anything, Oga. How you? Ma, what to know?
Vanish.
Yeah?
Get out.
Ma, nothing. Anything. What to know? See. My papers already. What to know? Nothing.
Oh. You see this thing you're wearing? Let me not see this kind of nakedness in my house again.
My nakedness like this? And along
is this, are you wearing anything here? Are you wearing anything here?
Not to make it.
I will. Get out. Stupid thing. She wants to seduce my husband. Because she feels her breast is bigger than my own. Nonsense. Jonathan!
Ma?
Open the gate, idiot.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace. For you it's just a race. Hey, you want to win this race. Now that you have won the race, how long do you think it will last?
No, wow. Eh? What Mokulu? Jonathan fool. Early this morning. Fool. Me, Jonathan, a fool.
Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? What kind of a woman is this now? Anytime when she and her husband gets a small quanta, she's in Agatha. What did Agatha come do for this matter now? You forgot no gree eat food, Agatha. You forgot no gree sleep for bed. Agatha should come blame me, say na me. This one will go find waiting to do her. Be Agatha. I come from my number, not do anybody anything. I get my own problem. I no come this asaba, come dey hear Agatha this, Agatha that. I come here, come make money. You should not go come carry her problem put for my head. They know the big distance. Say my friends to put on him. Say look like thing they eat.
So simply because I confronted Murphy last night, he did not respond to my greeting this morning. And he also refused to take his breakfast. Babe.
Hey, babe, stop. Babe, listen. I need to get some rest. I had a long day at work, please.
Babe.
What?
You can't keep doing this every night.
Come on. You know I always come back drained from work.
Babe, you don't let me enjoy my husband as I should. Because of work.
I'm tired. And why are you making this look like I'm being difficult? I'm just tired. I need to get some sleep. Please.
Why do you keep doing this? What about me? I also work.
Babe, but we just had sex.
Just once.
This is not food, you know?
Babe, you are going to make love to me to my satisfaction.
I'm just tired. Listen, we can do this some other time, please. Stop!
Babe, you are going to make love to me. More than once. As much as I wanted. That's why you're my husband.
Okay, I need to get some rest.
Babe. Where are you going?
I need to get some rest.
He just left the room again because I asked for sex. We shall see.
This is not your place. You shouldn't be here in the first place. Another person you have replaced with your lies and deceit. Because you want to take her place, you put her in shame and disgrace. For you it's just a race. Hey, you want to win this race. Now that you have won the race, how long do you think it will last?
I can't believe Murphy left this room this night again for me. Why does he keep running away from his problems? This is 3 years of marriage. No child. Talk about it. Next thing he will leave the room with a pillow and come back the next morning. To where exactly? To find out what he's up to.
Hey, what did she do to you? Abogini komeregi. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day you will pay. What did she do to you? Abogini komeregi. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one.
Where has he gone to? He's not even here. Where in God's name did he go? He can't just disappear into thin air just like that. He's not even here. Where on earth could he have gone by this time of the night? I just hope it's not what I am thinking. Could it be that he's in this stupid mate's room?
Hey, what did she do to you? Abogini komeregi. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day you will pay. What did she do to you? Abogini komeregi. For you to treat her this way, don't forget that one day you will pay. Now that you've achieved your aim, again. After you have put her through pain and shame. Oh, what a shame.
Offie keeps leaving the room each time I ask for sex. Is there something going on in this house that I do not know of? My husband just disappeared into thin air for nothing. I cannot sit inside water and allow soap enter my eye. No problem. I know what to do. Where have you been? I can't be asking you questions and you are acting like I'm talking to myself. Where have you been? Murphy, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Aren't you possible, Brenda?
Did you just ask me that question? That a man leaves his bedroom each time the wife demands that he sleeps with her. He runs away. Murphy, it's been 3 years of our marriage. No child. People are beginning to talk. You don't know? People are actually beginning to talk. What's going on?
Brenda, we mustn't have sex multiple times before you can get pregnant. One time is enough.
Murphy, instead of you to bloat out your wife's tummy, you prefer doing it with the housemaid.
What?
Oh, you think I don't know? I know everything. I came downstairs last night to look for you, but you were nowhere to be found. Where did you go? You snuck into her room as usual to sleep with her, right? Don't worry. I will catch you both red-handed. Very, very soon.
Brenda, are you in any way suspecting Agatha and I?
Deny it. Deny it. Oh, well, I know you're going to deny it. What do you men really want? I will catch you both. Don't worry. I will definitely catch you red-handed with her. Keep sneaking into her bedroom every night. I know that he is sleeping with Agatha. Yet, he will still deny it. I just need to catch them red-handed. Just imagine. I asked her to go and call my husband for breakfast. She came back and started saying, Ma, he was wearing his clothes when I got there. He was wearing his clothes when I got there. Yeah. So she saw him naked. She saw him naked. What is there for him to hide again? There's nothing. He has nothing to hide from her again. No problem. There is no way I'm going to share my husband with some dirty, stupid housemaid. Okay. All I just need is a concrete evidence to put them both in their rightful position. Nonsense.
Harold, I'm doing good. Yeah, sure. Good. Alright. What's up? Everything is fine. Trust me. Harold, everything is okay. Everything is fine. Thanks.
Hey, Mr. Man, shine your eyes. There's more to it than meets the eyes. If you're not careful, you'll soon realize that you have been deceived. You have been deceived. Oh, Bugogio, you have been deceived.
Get down. Where is this boy?
Okay, welcome, sir.
Good afternoon. Where have you been? Huh?
Sir.
Yeah. What are you doing?
I just log it. Nah, say my concrete.
Is my wife around?
Yes, madam inside.
Hey, what are you doing? Bring that down. Let's go. Are you okay?
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait. You go for carry this one come. This other for village. The village girl. So she carry bag for her the entire house. But wait though. The girl get shape. You must see her shape. Now V-boot. You go see V-boot carry come house.
Yeah. Hey babe, how are you?
Babe,
Hey, come in.
you're welcome.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
You good?
Who is she?
She's our new maid. Her name is Agatha. She's from Anambra State, right? Yeah, Anambra State.
Wait a minute. You mean you went to get a housemaid without me consenting to it?
Babe, come on. You know you've been complaining too much. You've been complaining of work stress and I just had to get her, to help.
This is sickening and absurd that my husband went to get a housemaid without my consent.
Babe, I'm sorry. I should have told you my plans. I didn't know it was going to get.
Murphy, if you want peace in this house, if you want peace to reign in this house, take this thing back to wherever you brought her from.
Babe, why are you being irrational?
If I want a housemaid, I should go get one for myself, not the other way around. So, she leaves.
No, she stays.
She leaves.
No, she stays.
Murphy, I say what happens around here. And this topic is not up for discussion. Where has it ever been done that a man goes to get a housemaid for the house? Where?
It surprises me how you understand things sometimes, It's been hard for us in this house. You've been complaining of stress work, stress. And I spoke to a friend of mine who introduced me to an agency who made her available. She's a maid. She's going to help us out. She's going to help cook, do the chores and whatnot.
Just hear yourself speak. Murphy, just listen to yourself. You went and arranged with someone to get you a housemaid. Bravo! Let us clap for him. Odogu, man on fire. My stance remains that this thing leaves my house this minute. And I mean it. Oga, what's going to happen now? Like I begin go back village.
No. It's alright. Everything is fine. Where's your bag? Alright, come with me. Okay, there you go. Here's your room. Feel at home, feel comfortable. I'll get you some food to eat. If you need anything, just let me know. Okay?
Yes. Oga.
Yeah?
I say make I tell you, make you know go the madam.
Oh, my wife! Oh, come on. Don't worry, my wife can be very funny sometimes, alright? But it's okay. Everything's going to be alright, okay? Just feel at home. I'll get you something to eat, alright?
I know whether, but why madam they do like say they walk in and pepper for her body? Madam, I will get the house carrying me come. I don't come beside, I don't come. And I know they go anywhere. I don't come. So this is my room. Like this. I cannot stay like this. Where is that thing you brought into my house?
What is wrong with you?
Really? I should be asking you that question, Murphy.
Brenda, I understand our differences, but I suggest we don't wash our dirty linens outside.
Oh, is that what you call this?
I didn't tell you because of what previously happened in this house. You remember you threw a kite out of this house? You did the same to Eno. Come on. Brenda, sometimes you get me worried. You complain of fatigue every single day, yet you don't need a house help.
Listen, I know why I am doing what I am doing. I do not want to lose my marriage to any of these girls.
Really?
Yes. I've heard stories of how these girls will come into a woman's house and take her husband from her and then becomes Oga wife.
I should have known. So this is what you're up to. After everything we've been through, you still do not trust me. Where's the trust you have for me, Brenda?
Murphy, this has nothing to do with trust. Do you get it? This is all about cautiousness.
Cautiousness? Really? What kind of caution are you talking about?
You see these girls, these so-called housemates, I don't trust them. I learned some of them can be sweet in bed.
The fuck? You're unbelievable. Yeah.
You think it's funny?
I'm not laughing. I just said you're unbelievable.
I am not. I am not. I'm not going to let some stupid girl come here and whine her nonsense dirty ways on my property. I won't let it happen.
Let me want anything.
Who gave you my food?
Oga serve me.
Are you stupid? Why will my husband serve you food? Did you come here to serve or be served?
I'm sorry. I come to serve. Sorry. Sorry for the food. Sorry.
Follow me!
Ashiru.
What is that? Why are you doing My friend, will you come and wash these plates? I'll wash my plates. You're covering your nose. These are the reason you are here. Tidy up everywhere. Move. Hey, listen to me. If I see you anywhere, an inch close to my husband, if I by any chance catch you pants down with my husband, I need not tell you what I will do to you. Of course, men looking at me, you can tell. It's not by having big boobs or big ass.
Madam, I'm a very nice person though. In my village, they know me as somebody like you.
So shit. Wash those plates fast and go to the backyard and wash the heap of clothes waiting for you there. Did you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Agatha, I'm really sorry. The kitchen is messed up.
Okay, that's why I'm here. Don't worry. I will wash this place and it will be clean.
Thank you very much. Please, feel at home, okay?
That's that. No, let me change this clothes. No. Okay. She's here to do housemaid job in my house. You see that waist she wants to use to knock my husband? I will shift it one side for her.
What are you up to? What's going on here?
Oh, the clothes. I want the housemaid to wash them.
Brenda? But these clothes are clean. I personally washed them with the washing machine.
want the housemaid to wash them with her hands and not the machine. Hand wash is always better.
I don't understand. You want Agatha to wash these clothes. I personally washed myself with the machine. Okay, let me ask you. Do you also want Agatha to wash your underwear?
Yes, now.
Why?
She is here to do my biddings. Failure to adhere to my instructions, I will kick her out same way I kicked others. Please drop my undies.
What is wrong with you?
Please, 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 please.
I don't understand. What has come over her? Okay. So she complains about having to do all the house chores after a hectic day at work. And as a good husband that I am, I come in to salvage the situation. And she gets mad at me. Now she wants to kill someone's daughter. She's possessed.
Agatha! Where is this useless girl? Agatha! Come and wash these clothes. Agatha! She has to wash them very well. Nonsense. That's why she came to the house. To work, of course. Come and work. Agatha! Agatha!
Perfect. Yeah, perfect. I discussed her monthly pay with her and she's fine with it. Listen, she seems like a very hardworking lady to me.
Let her do anyhow and see if she won't leave my house.
I'll call you back, please.
She seems to you like a very hardworking girl, right?
Brenda, you desperately wanted a maid and I got one for you. So why are you making a fuss about it?
Are you asking me that? Like seriously? Why I'm making a fuss out of it? So Murphy, you did not see any of these very ugly girls to bring. Is that kind of girl?
What's wrong with the one I brought?
You want to know the truth?
Yes.
I don't like her.
Why? Why?
I don't just want that thing in my house. I don't want her.
I honestly don't see anything wrong with Agatha.
Why will you see? Why will you see? You men. You have to go and bring a girl that has big breast, big ass, yet don't see anything wrong with it. You've got to assess your taste and then brought her to my house. Nothing wrong with it.
God forgive you.
Forgive you too. Take that thing out of my house. Got my eyes on you and her.
Why have you chosen to be a nagging wife?
You call me a nagging wife. Just because I said I don't want that thing in my house.
You have changed totally. You're becoming nasty and it irritates me.
Call me whatever you want. I do not want that thing in my house. I am going to protect my own at all costs.
I honestly don't understand you. Maybe you should go ahead and get the type of maid you want so that this nonsense can stop.
And you think I have not been trying to talk to these agents to help me get a housemaid?
The same agent that got Ekaite and Eno that you practically threw out of the house because they are either pretty or too sexy to be around me. I think you have insecurity problems.